Have you come across a horseshoe welding project idea lately? Horseshoe welding projects are great for beginners as the metal is resistant to abuse from a beginner welder. But first, a little bit of history lesson. Horseshoes have been used for centuries to protect the hooves of horses from wear and tear. The history of horseshoes dates back to ancient times, with the earliest known horseshoes being made of rawhide or leather. These early horseshoes were not nailed to the horse's hooves but were simply tied on with leather straps. As the use of horses for transportation and agriculture grew, the need for more durable horseshoes became apparent. Iron horseshoes were first used in Europe in the 5th century. And by the Middle Ages, they had become common throughout Europe. Scrap horseshoes are great resources to make beautiful items. These items could be purely decorative or both functional and decorative. In this video, we will show you about 85 of such ideas. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of horseshoe welding project ideas for beginner welders. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The process of making horseshoes evolved over time, with blacksmiths using a variety of techniques to shape and fit the shoes to each horse's hooves. Horseshoes were typically made by hand until the 19th century, when machine-made horseshoes became available. Today, horseshoes are made from a variety of materials, including steel, aluminum, and plastic. They are designed to provide protection and support to horses' hooves while also improving traction and performance. Horseshoeing remains an important part of equine care, with skilled farriers continuing to shape and fit horseshoes to horses' hooves using traditional techniques and modern technology, although other techniques could be used to join horseshoe pieces. Welding is a widely used method. As horseshoes are made from a variety of materials, the welding characteristics can vary depending on the material used. Steel horseshoes are commonly welded using techniques such as gas tungsten arc welding or gas metal arc welding. These techniques allow for precise control over the welding process and can produce strong, durable welds. Aluminum horseshoes, on the other hand, require a different welding approach due to their lower melting point. Welding techniques such as gas welding or friction stir welding may be used to join aluminum horseshoes. In general, horseshoes require strong and durable welds to withstand the stresses and strains of their proposed use. Repurposing a horseshoe can have several benefits. One of these benefits is sustainability. By repurposing a horseshoe, you are giving it a new life and preventing it from ending up in a landfill. This helps reduce waste and promotes sustainability. Another benefit of repurposing a horseshoe is its cost-effectiveness. Repurposing a horseshoe can be a cost-effective way to create new items, as you are using an existing material rather than buying new materials. You can create several unique designs by using horseshoe pieces. Horseshoes have a distinct shape and texture, which can add a unique touch to any repurposed item. This can make your creation stand out and add character to your home or garden. In addition, horseshoes are often considered to be a symbol of good luck, and repurposing one can help bring that luck into your home or garden. Repurposing a horseshoe can be a way to honor the tradition of blacksmithing and farriery, which have been important trades for centuries. Horseshoes can be repurposed into functional items such as hooks, door knockers, and bottle openers, adding both style and practicality to your home. The rustic look of a horseshoe can add a charming and unique touch to any decor style. From farmhouse to industrial. Repurposing a horseshoe can make for a thoughtful and personalized gift for friends and family, especially those who love horses or have a connection to the equestrian world. Repurposing a horseshoe can be a fun and creative DIY project, allowing you to use your imagination and skills to create something unique and special. Many artisans and craftsmen specialize in repurposing horseshoes into beautiful and functional items. By purchasing their work, you are supporting local businesses and helping to keep traditional trades alive. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked horseshoe welding project ideas for beginner welders. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.